Take it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty say me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl on love girl who never lost control. Cause a supermodel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if I sound a bit iffy because I've been sneezing all day. My nose is red. I try to like cover up my redness and all because I've been blowing my nose the whole day, guys. Like, I feel like I'm about to get sick, but hopefully I don't. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I was like freaking red over here, and I try to cover it up a bit for the video, but that's the best I could do, guys. And I was like, I have to film a video for you guys. I need to be consistent. So in today's video, I will be reviewing Magnetic Lash, and this is by the brand Kiss, guys. I've heard some mixed review about this. People say it works, people say it doesn't. So I was like, why don't I try it out on my own and see if I like it or not. If it actually works, guys, then I will be using this like every day, because putting lash glue on the lashes, waiting for it, blowing it, placing it on your lash, it takes a lot of time. It used to take like 10 minutes for me, guys, because I always had to like take it off, adjust it, don't like it, take it off again. Like, I keep on doing that until I like it the way how it sits on my eyes. But now I'm kind of like a pro, guys. It's like 3 minutes each on my eyes. So yep, these lashes are expensive though. I believe it's like $12 or $13, but they had a sale today at Dwayne Reed for $6.49. So originally it was $12.99, but then I got it for $6.49. So if you guys want to know how I feel about magnetic lashes, then just keep on watching. So it's supposed to be a universal fit, so that means I don't have to cut off anything. So hopefully that is true, because I have small eyes and I always have to trim my lashes. So I don't know if you guys can see, but on the top and bottom lashes, it have magnet on it. Okay, so step 1. So basically I have to place both lashes on the applicator. So I have the top one and I'm placing it on the applicator. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. So I'm placing the top one here. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to show you guys. So that didn't look very good. Okay, do you guys see it? And now I'm taking the bottom one and I will be placing it on the bottom. So that's the bottom, and then this is the top. And then I'm gonna position it. It looks weird. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, I'm stressing out, guys. This look like it might not work for me. Alright guys, I was having some difficulty, but now I understand because I just placed it both upside down, if that makes sense. So I'm coming up close so you guys could see. Okay, I obviously didn't go close to my lash line, as you guys can tell. So let's try this again. Oh wow, and I put it on the wrong eye as well. Supposed to be on my right eye. Smart me, guys, smart me. Alright guys, for the next set of lash, I will be using my freaking fingers because this applicator is getting me tight. Alright guys, so let's try this again. It took me like freaking 5 minutes to place the lash on that applicator. Okay, I'm trying to get close to my lash line and then clip it together. Wow, that was a fail. It didn't even clip together. I don't think I aligned. Yeah, I didn't align it correctly. Great, 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 great. Okay, I'm trying to get close to my lash line and clamp it together. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. This is not working out for me. I'm about to just use my fingers. So it is a universal fit, to be honest, because it looks fine. I honestly thought this was gonna be easy. But one just clip The other one just clipped. But towards the end, I didn't get it correctly. So I got this, but towards the end, you guys see that? Okay, patient, Anna, patient. It's like 15 minutes into the video and I'm getting impatient already. I wonder if it'd be better if I have a tweezer to adjust this. I don't know. Still no, guys. This time I didn't get the inner corner or the freaking outer corner. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna try it one more time, guys, with the applicator. Okay, take 100. Even though I'm freaking exaggerating, but yep. Okay. So the outer corner clamped together, but my freaking inner corner, guys, look at it. Ooh. It looks nice though from far away. I would actually like this if it was really easy to apply, but this basically takes me like freaking more than 10 minutes, but it looks so freaking nice though. I'm gonna just put on the other one for fun. Yeah, I couldn't even get the inner corner here as well. You guys see that? But like I said, from far away, it looks so freaking nice. To be honest, guys, it looked nice, but I would not wear these. I would just stick to my glue, to be honest, because it took me more than like usual how I would use lash glue and all. But it looked nice though. I just wish it was that easy and simple for the applicator, to be honest, because like look at it, doesn't it look nice? And when you close your eyes, you don't even need liner or anything. Don't mind that in the corner. But yeah, guys, so I do not recommend magnetic lashes because as you guys can see, it was such a pain in the butt. It feels really comfortable though because you don't feel it on your lashes, but I kind of do in the corner, like it's poking me, because obviously you guys know the inner corner fail. It's like if the outer corner are on, the inner corner is not on. If the inner corner are on, the outer corners aren't on. So it's just like, what the hell, you know? But I probably will play around with it more and see if I could somehow manage to get them or align with one another or play around with the applicator that it comes with. But as of right now, I do not recommend it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
You know that you my aura in existence, cause you hold a crown. You hold a crown, yeah. You know that you my aura in existence, cause you hold it down.